Now 3.22. An aircraft is flying at the height of 3400 meter above the ground. If the angle subtended at a ground observation point by the aircraft position 10 seconds apart is 30 degree, what is the speed of the aircraft? Now see, in figure we represent the two positions 10 seconds apart for the aeroplane. So see here, A and B are the two positions separated 10 seconds apart. Okay. Now this one is the ground observation point. So these two positions A and B subtend angle 30 degree, that is given to you at the point of observation. So here, if we take the normal bisector of these two positions, which give you height h, then this angle is 15 degree. Suppose this is x. So here, if we find out the distance between A and B, then speed will be distance upon time. So let's calculate x here. Now see, 10, 15 degree, that is opposite upon adjacent. So x by h that is 3400. So x, that is 3400, 10, 15 degree. Now value of 10, 15 degree that we have to take from the table of natural tangent, and it is 0.2679. So x will be 910.86 meter. Now the total distance covered in 10 seconds, that is 2x. So speed of the aircraft, that is 2x by t. So 2 into 910.86 by 10. So that comes to 182.2 meter per second. So now chapter 3 is completed. Clear?